Hi, this is Fritsch. I am a CRM Success Consultant and the founder of CLIENTSFirst Consulting. During our recent webinar, we talked a lot about how technology can really help with business development. But I'd like to take a couple minutes now and really focus in on another area that's critically important if you want to be successful with technology, and that's data quality. Data quality is absolutely essential to success with business development and marketing technology. The challenge is that respected researchers have suggested that about 30% of your data can degrade each year without regular attention. This is because people are people. They get hired, fired, promoted, they relocate, they change roles, they get married and divorced, some retire and even die. Meanwhile, companies are opening, closing, merging, and getting acquired, and all this means that we end up with bad data. Bad data includes data that's dated and old, could be data that is incomplete, it's missing information that's really important, such as emails and phone numbers that are critical for connecting with clients and contacts, addresses including countries that are really important for data privacy compliance, titles that you need in order to target your communication, and duplicative company and people data that can clutter the system and make it really time-consuming to enter and find information. Without clean, correct, and complete data, your messages will miss their mark. Your targeting and segmenting of your key audiences is next to impossible. Your events become more expensive and don't yield return on investment, and your adoption suffers because your users won't use the system when there's bad data in it. Most important, business development opportunities can be missed. Additionally, it's important to enhance records in your system with information that you need to target and reach out to clients and contacts in a smarter way. So you want to be able to identify your clients versus your prospects, your competitors, your vendors, and service providers. You want to be able to target people by role and identify relationships within your organization. You also want to be able to track the last interactions that we had with them and who was the last person to communicate with them. For companies, you want to be able to target and segment by things like geography or size, or public versus private, revenue, or industry. So what can we do about all of this bad data? Well, the most important thing to understand is that you have to pay attention to it. The first thing you need to do is assess the mess. Analyze your data to determine the scope of the data quality cleanup effort. Then you need to put a plan in place to deal with your bad data and make sure that you dedicate the right resources. You may want to start with automated data cleaning and then complement that with manual data stewarding resources, trained experts who can help you clean up all of the data in your system. It's important to remember that data quality has to be ongoing because just like CRM, data quality never ends. The good news is that means you've got forever to get better at it. And the most important thing to remember is don't do it alone. Reach out for help. At CLIENTSFirst, we've helped hundreds of clients assess and improve their data quality. Call us anytime. We'd be happy to help you.